But for now, we want to make sure all Kenyans, these are Kikuyus, Luos, Kalenjins, Kisis, Kambas, the 43 tribes. That's our business. We must bring our people together. But I call upon the government, please don't kill the young people. Please allow the constitution to prevail. For you, my brother Murkomen, the shoot to kill orders, it cannot work in the country. We'll kill very few people and the country will turn into anarchy. I want to leave it there and request that as Kisii, we are welcoming every person from all walks of life. Come, seduce the people of Kisii, ask them for votes. But while you are doing that, know that I'm the deputy party leader of ODM. Many things will happen, which I don't want to disclose now. There are many things in the pipeline, as it were. That's all. Yes, saying that, respect commands or calls. When you're going to somebody's place, just, notify them that indeed I'm coming there, my brother, we're coming. Therefore, for Gachagua, either welcomed or not welcomed, he is welcome to come to Kisii. Come sell his agenda of one term. Because that's it. If he sells for Ruto one term, he can equally say Simba one term. We see how it goes with the people. Therefore, what we are saying is that it's courteous. If he comes, let him call me, Simba, I'm coming. I tell him, my brother, come. I have no problem. We'll go to Central to seek for votes. We may not even ask anybody else to welcome us there. Therefore, what I'm saying, anybody from any other corner of the country is welcome to Kisii. Here in Kisii, there is big number of Kikuyus, Kalenjins, Luos, live about Kisis, Masais, all tribes are here in Kisii. Therefore, we're welcoming them. The clips that I saw yesterday, where they have, and you can clearly see how they have cut it. Cut and fix, I don't know what you call it in your own language as media. That's what they are doing. But I'm offended because of one individual here in Kisii who thinks he can go around. He has been soliciting money from those, actually he has been soliciting money from these unsuspecting leaders in the country. Given money to go to Mombasa, anafika mtoto wa ndei, anapiga, anaingia kwa pombe, anarudi. That's why you have not been seeing him around. We want to warn people. There are characters here who are extortionists, number one. But when they talk on TV, in the breakfast TV, you'll think he's an angel. They are not. These are rogue leaders. And we are going to call them out at the right time. We'll tell the Kenyans what they have taken us through. Therefore, for Gachagua, you are welcome. I can tell you, Gachagua, you come to Kisii, I will welcome you as our brother. We served with you in parliament. Kalonzo comes, he has been my leader. I will welcome him. Ruto comes, I will welcome him as my president. Raila comes here as my party leader, I will welcome him. Therefore, I will welcome him. I even Wajakoya, another person who thinks that he can ask votes from Kisii. I will welcome them. That you are assured. Therefore, these are the ones who are battling some lies on media, social media. We don't want to go that direction. This country, we are one. We are facing the same problems. We want to sort. If there is anybody else who can also advise President Ruto, unlike some characters who are around him, for the 2 years remaining, we see how the country is moving forward. Yes,